Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Rugged Ridge Elite fire extinguisher holder designed to carry a standard size 2.5 pound fire extinguisher. Now, anytime you're headed off pavement for any off-road activity, it's always a great idea to be prepared and bring an extinguisher with you. You never know when yourself or someone you're traveling with may have the unlikely event of a fire breaking out. Now, the Rugged Ridge Elite extinguisher has been designed with a really unique quick release mechanism that's an easy one-handed operation that allows you to quickly and simply remove the extinguisher from the bracket, especially when every second counts. Now, the bracket itself is designed from cast aluminum and features a lightly textured black powder coat finish. The quick release spring mechanism is made from 3/16 stainless steel. Now, the release part of the bracket comes with two velcro straps allowing you to mount that standardized size 2.5 pound fire extinguisher. And then there's also two additional velcro straps allowing you to mount the base of the bracket to any of the exposed roll bars in your Wrangler. Now, that's great because it makes it a very universal design, allowing you to mount it in any Jeep with a roll bar. You can also mount it to any flat surface because it is already pre-drilled and includes hardware. Now, reinstalling the fire extinguisher onto the base is just as easy as removing it. Simply place the removable part onto the locating pins, push down, and it locks it back in place for future use. If you guys want to get any more information or purchase the Rugged Ridge Elite fire extinguisher bracket, you can click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the bracket, you can always leave those for us in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And you'll definitely want to hit that subscribe button for all of our latest product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.